How to fix screen flickering issue on Windows 11. To fix screen flickering issue on Windows 11, try 1. Check the wired connection and reconnect your display if possible. 2. Terminate desktop window manager via task manager. 3. Change refresh rate in monitor advanced settings. 4. Remove any recently installed apps using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide. 5. Update graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Plan B, remove then reinstall graphics drivers. 6. Perform an in-depth malware scan using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 7. Reset then re-update your Windows.